Welcome back to Short Travels, where color meets coastline and simplicity feels like paradise. Today, we're heading to Cinque Terre, Italy. 5 tiny villages clinging to the cliffs of the Mediterranean. Here, every house is painted a different shade: pink, orange, yellow, creating a patchwork of color that spills down toward the sea. Paths connect each village, offering some of the most stunning coastal hikes in Europe, where ocean views stretch endlessly and lemon trees scent the air. Few travelers know that locals once used donkeys to carry goods up and down the steep trails before the trains arrived. At sunset, when the light hits the pastel walls and the waves shimmer below, Cinque Terre feels like Italy's soul laid bare. So, would you hike the cliffside trails of Cinque Terre, or just watch the colors change from a cafe by the sea? Let me know below, and join me for the next hidden corner of the world on Short Travels.